Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if OneDrive is stuck on processing changes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to turning your proxy settings off if applicable. So if you're using a proxy server to connect to the internet, I'd recommend turning that off. So in order to do that, all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in proxy. Best match, come back with change proxy settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath manual proxy setup versus use a proxy server, let's say it was turned on here. You just want to go ahead and toggle it to the off position, and then you would select save, and then make sure automatically the text settings was toggled to the on position as you see it on my screen. So that's one thing you could definitely try. Something else we can try here as well would be to just reset the OneDrive application. So in order to do that, just close out of here. And I'm going to have a path in the description of the video. It starts with a percent sign and ends with a /reset. So go ahead and copy that and then paste it into the search bar when you're going to search Windows. And you're going to go ahead and left click on Run Command. And that should reset the OneDrive application, and you just would sign in with your email address. And that should hopefully be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.